Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, then hi, I am Manali. So, as you are seeing that today I am completely barefaced. I have literally nothing on my skin except the tinted lip balm because my skin was looking damn flat and dull. So I just added a tint of lip balm on my lips. Today I'm gonna review two of the skincare products which I have received some weeks back, and I have been trying that product since 2 to 3 weeks, and I am just building my opinion. I mean, what is my opinion and how that products have worked on my skin. I will be giving you a complete detailed review with the demo itself. So it's really a well-known brand and as well as an Indian brand. Hashtag vocal for local. And main thing that skincare is not only for girls. Boys should also have their own specific skincare routine. I mean वो पूरा तामझाम नहीं जैसे हम लोग गर्ल्स में क्लेंजर, टोनिंग, मॉइस्चराइजर, सीरम वो सारे स्टेप्स होते हैं, सनस्क्रीन ऑब्वियसली, पर बॉयज़ में भी एटलीस्ट जो क्लेंजिंग, वीकली मास्किंग, थोड़ा बहुत स्क्रबिंग, मॉइस्चराइजिंग, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड सनस्क्रीन इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर देम एज वेल. ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो यूनिसेक्स प्रोडक्ट्स है दैट कैन बी यूज्ड बाय फीमेल एंड मेल बोथ. तो ये वीडियो काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने वाली है, सो प्लीज़ एंड तक देखना. So, Wow Skin Science were kind enough to send me the two of their products. One is the aloe vera hydrating face wash and another one is the activated charcoal face mask, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. The aloe vera face wash comes in this tube packaging, and it also comes with a silicone brush which makes the process of cleaning the face very easy. And the face mask also comes with this spatula. It is the silicone spatula that's make the process of applying the face mask really easy. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before diving into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then please take a moment for me and subscribe it right now. It would mean an absolute world to me. Subscribing my channel is completely free of cost, guys. मतलब एक सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन दबा दो, कुछ नहीं जाएगा, आपको कुछ पे नहीं करना है, पर it will help me a lot and it would mean an absolute world to me. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then please take a moment for me and subscribe it right now. This is how the packaging looks like. It's come in this plastic tube and it has this cap, and we have to open this. Okay, it is quite tight. This silicone brush you can see, and it is extremely soft and gentle to rub it or massage it on our skin to cleanse our face. What we have to do is just हमको ये सिर्फ इसको ऐसे इतना थोड़ा सा ऐसे ट्विस्ट करना है, due to which ये थोड़ा सा पोर्शन ओपन हो जाएगा, and then we have to just press this tube just like this. You can see थोड़ा सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आएगा, उसको डायरेक्टली फेस पे लगा के उसको इसी ब्रश से जेंटली मसाज करना है just for a minute, not more than that, and it will give you a extreme level hydration as well. It is actually a hydrating face wash. Okay, so what it claims that it is a hydrating face wash with built-in face brush for deep cleanses, and I totally believe in this. My skin is squeaky clean after applying this face wash, as you can see in the video. And what are the ingredients that are present in this? That is aloe vera leaf extract, hyaluronic acid and pro vitamin B5. I mean, you all know that how hyaluronic acid is so freaking hydrated for the skin. So dry skin people must try this. Actually all skin types can try this because it contains aloe vera, which is extremely rich in antioxidants and also a very good ingredient to add into your skincare routine. After cleaning my face, you can see how squeaky clean my face looks like. It has extracted all the dirt, oil and almost all the gunk out of my face. We are gonna do the deep cleaning of our pores and our skin. So अगर deep cleaning की बात है और specially pores के लिए, then nothing can work better than the charcoal clay mask or a clay mask. Basically a clay mask, और उसमें भी अगर charcoal added हो, that is cherry on the cake. और मतलब charcoal, we all know that it is so good ingredient for extracting the excess oil or excess dirt from our skin. Today for the face mask here I am going to use is this. This is the Wow Skin Science activated charcoal face mask, and this is a huge tub. You can see, and it comes in this type of packaging. Actually Wow Skin Science के सारे hair mask और जो face mask होते हैं ना, उनकी packaging same ही होती है, and it is quite a big tub. This is how the texture looks like. So you see, and just wait, I'm just gonna, you see, this is how the texture looks like. Also, it comes with this type of a silicone brush with this face mask. It makes the process really easy for applying the face mask. You see, here you can see in the screen how I'm applying it and how smoothly the texture looks like. What are the ingredients that are present in this face mask? Here I'm gonna read it right now in the front of the camera. So the ingredients are purified water, then extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, olive oil, glycerine, then mulberry extract, licorice extract, activated charcoal powder. Okay, so it has quite a good ingredients in the face mask. So the problem which I am facing with this face mask is that it does not dry on my T-zones. Means I have really oily to combination skin. मतलब मेरी स्किन इतना ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है ना, स्पेशली ये जो टी जोन एरिया होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे पता नहीं क्यों ये फेस मास्क ड्राई नहीं होता है. बाकी सब में तो काफ़ी अच्छे से 15 मिनट में सूख जाता है, पर पता नहीं क्यों मेरे जो टी जोन है वहाँ पे वो अच्छे से ड्राई नहीं हो पाता. बट दैट डज नॉट मीन्स कि मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट वर्क नहीं करता. इट हैज़ वर्कड फॉर मी रियली वेल. इट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस फेस मास्क योर स्किन फील्स सो फ्रिकिंग सॉफ्ट एंड मतलब आपको फील होगा कि मतलब आपका सारा जो डर्ट गम जो भी पोल्यूशन था ना स्किन के अंदर, वो इट हैज़ लिटरली एक्सट्रैक्टेड इट आउट. एंड ऑल्सो इट हैज़ एडेड सम फ्रेग्रेंस इन द फेस मास्क. सो इफ यू आर एलर्जिक टू फ्रेग्रेंसेस देन प्लीज यू नीड टू वॉच. मीन्स आपको अगर यूज़ करना है नहीं करना है, बिकॉज इसमें थोड़ी सी फ्रेग्रेंस है. सो इफ यू आर एलर्जिक टू फ्रेग्रेंसेस देन आई थिंक दैट यू शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दिस. You can see that after effect on my skin. You would have seen the before and after video clip in the previous part. So you see how soft and gentle my skin looks like. So after that you can apply the normal toner and apply the moisturizer and complete the skincare routine, and you will see the difference. Obviously skincare takes time, so you will see the difference in 2 to 3 weeks, but after one use of this you will definitely see the difference and feel your skin that it is so soft and it has extracted all the gunk and dirt out of your skin. Obviously these products can be bought from the Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon as well as on the Purple. So Wow Skin Sciences recently launched their app और उसमें काफ़ी offers और discounts चलते रहते. So it would be more beneficial if you buy these products from their app itself. All the links will be in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. अगर आपको इसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक करनी है, मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट्स ओरिजिनल है या नहीं, सो वाव स्किन साइंस हैज़ गिवन दिस दिस बारकोड स्टिकर. सो यू कैन स्कैन दिस इन एनी स्कैनर, और मतलब जो भी बारकोड स्टिकर को स्कैन करता है किसी भी ऐप से आप इसको स्कैन कर सकते हो और इसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक कर सकते हो, मतलब इसमें क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, इज इट सेफ और नॉट. एंड एक्चुअली वाव स्किन साइंस इज क्रुएल्टी फ्री, vegan and 100% paraben and silicone free. So it is a really great product. I hope that this video was beneficial and a little bit informative if you wanna buy this products. So please, the link will be in the description box, and I hope that I have helped you a little bit by providing the information कि मतलब आपको ये चीज़ बाय करनी चाहिए या नहीं. पर आप डेफिनेटली उसका ऐप चेक करना, उसमें काफ़ी सारे ऑफर्स और काफ़ी सारे और अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. So with this we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, मतलब वो जो ग्रे वाला thumbs up है ना उसको ब्लू कर दो without any fail. ओके, और हाँ प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट डाउन बिलो मतलब बताना कमेंट में कि मतलब और कौन से वीडियोस आप और देखना चाहोगे मेरे चैनल पे. आई वुड लव टू क्रिएट फॉर यू गाइज. ऑल्सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, मतलब वहाँ पे फॉलो नहीं करता, आई एम हाईली एक्टिव दैट. सो प्लीज आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गो एंड फॉलो मी राइट नाउ. मतलब मैं वहाँ पे काफ़ी यूजफुल कंटेंट मतलब रिलेटेड टू स्किन केयर, मेकअप, थोड़े बहुत हैक्स सब कुछ शेयर करती हूँ, पर उसके लिए आपको मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. द लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल एज मैं अपना इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल कहीं ना कहीं स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूँगी. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and Also remember that I love you guys so very much. Mwah. Bye.